So today I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, if you have access to the phone and you have all your passwords, then you don't need to do a hard reset. You can simply do a soft factory reset by going to settings and then general management and then go to reset, and then you should see reset all settings, or rather factory data reset, and then you can follow through with this and perform a perfectly good factory data reset. Now, a hard reset is used when you probably don't have a password that's required to reset, or maybe you've forgotten a lock screen password, PIN, or pattern, and you're not able to get access to your phone. Then for those reasons, you can do a hard reset. Now, keep in mind that as soon as you do a hard reset, when you're setting the phone up again, you're gonna need the password to the Google account that was on the phone originally. So keep that in mind. Anyway, so to do a hard reset, one thing you need is the phone itself, a data cable, and a laptop. You can simply use the data cable that comes in the box of your phone. So connect one end of that data cable to your phone and the other end to a computer. So once that is connected, your phone should start charging, as you can see, and that means you're ready, you're good to go. Now, the laptop has to be on, okay? Now, what you need to do is press and hold power and volume down, and you want to hold these two buttons until the screen of the phone goes off, and then you can switch to power and volume up. And then as soon as you see the Samsung logo, you can let go of the power button and continue holding volume up button. And that should put the phone in recovery mode from where you can perform your hard reset. Okay, so let's do this together. So power volume down, press and hold. So I want us to do this with the screen visible. Okay, so press and hold. Now if you see Gemini, it means you've not pressed them simultaneously. So let's do this again. Power and volume down, press and hold. There you go. You should see the power menu. Ignore it and continue holding volume down and power. There you go. Screen goes off. Switch to power and volume up. Samsung logo appears. Let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. And that should put you in recovery mode. Okay, it's really that simple. Now from here, all you have to do now is scroll down to wipe data / factory reset. You're basically scrolling using the volume down and volume up button. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up, and then you're using the power button to select. Okay, so go to wipe data / factory reset, select that, and then now you can scroll down to factory data reset and then select that using the power button. That's going to reset your phone back to factory default settings. Now, keep in mind that you're going to have to set the phone up again, but you're going to need the Google account and password of that Google account that was originally on the phone before doing the hard reset. Okay, but that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.